This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Tuesday, May 20th. Welcome to episode number 451. We are feeding the monster that will destroy us. So, taking a quick look at today's numbers, I did want to just preface it was kind of light volume. It does seem like everyone is on holiday and we're just watching the algos and CTAs buy every dip possible. The markets closed red, but at the end of the day, we did see a small bounce after 3 o'clock. The new highs on the NYSE were 492 today versus 92 new lows. 40% advancing versus 56% declining, 28% below the 50-day, and 51% below the 200-day. All of the Mag 7, except for Tesla, were red. So Tesla was up 0.5% today. A lot of news and videos of Elon Musk on Bloomberg and a few AI conferences. But taking a quick look at Microsoft was down 0.15%, not much. Apple was down about 1%. Amazon also down 1%. Google was down 1.5%. Meta 0.5%, and Nvidia down 0.8%. Looking at sectors, healthcare, utilities, consumer defensive, and basic materials all led the way. Pretty much typically defensive sectors. To the downside, you had real estate down 0.61, communication services down 0.6, energy down 0.5%, financials down 0.4, consumer cyclical down 0.4 as well, technology down 0.35%. I will post a Bloomberg video interview of Sam Altman and also featuring the quick tour of under construction Stargate mega factory for OpenAI. That was a pretty interesting piece. Bloomberg typically does really good with their circuit segment on the Bloomberg TV station or channel. So check that out. What else kind of stood out other than the low volume? If you take a look at NASDAQ companies making new highs, we had 5 today. eBay, I noted yesterday, as well as Monster Beverage is on that list again. So some bid action there on those 2 names out of the 5. Moving on to the S&P, to the upside, you have Moderna up 6.3, Dollar Tree up 4.2, Dollar General 3.7, Humana 3.3, and Eversource Energy 3%. In the NASDAQ, you had Regeneron Pharmaceuticals up 2.6, Gilead 2.5, and Discovery up 2%. What was weak in the S&P, you have FICO down 8.2%, SMCI down 4.3%, AES Corp 4.4%, Norwegian Cruise 3.8%, Airbnb down 3.25%, United Airlines down 3.2%, and Las Vegas Sands 3.1%. In the NASDAQ, you had, I'm trying to dedupe, Copart down 2.9%, Marvell 2.5%, and Marriott down 2%.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.